Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best Zline Range Hood in its class, the FIREGAS Range Hood Insert 30-inch 600 CFM. A game changer for anyone serious about keeping their kitchen clean, modern, and efficient. This 30-inch built-in kitchen hood is designed for performance and elegance. Crafted from food-grade 430 stainless steel, its brushed finish not only makes it durable and rust-resistant but gives your kitchen that professional upscale look you've been craving. Whether you're frying, simmering, or boiling, this range hood is built to handle all cooking styles effortlessly. Equipped with a powerful 600 CFM motor and a 3-speed exhaust fan, this range hood is all about efficiency. It removes oil fumes and harmful airborne particles quickly and cleanly, improving the air quality in your kitchen and protecting your skin and lungs from the long-term effects of cooking smoke. And if your home setup requires flexibility, this hood can be used both as a ducted or ductless system, thanks to the included carbon filters. Operating the FIREGAS insert is a breeze with its simple push-button interface. You can toggle between low, medium, and high fan speeds depending on what you're cooking. It's straightforward, reliable, and perfect for any user who wants instant control at their fingertips. Illumination is another area where this product shines, literally. It features 2 built-in LED lamps that deliver warm, focused lighting directly onto your cooktop. It enhances visibility and gives your workspace an inviting glow, ideal for both everyday cooking and evening ambience. Cleaning is no longer a hassle. This range hood comes with 2 removable stainless steel baffle filters that trap grease efficiently and can be tossed right into the dishwasher. No scrubbing, no mess, just effortless maintenance that saves time and keeps things hygienic. Sized at 27.8 inches wide, 11.5 inches deep, and 10.3 inches high, the compact design of the FIREGAS range hood makes it a seamless fit into most modern kitchens. Installation is also user-friendly, with a 6-inch round duct on top, standard 120 volts, 60 Hz power connection, and a clear manual plus installation video guide to help you through. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or starting fresh, the FIREGAS range hood insert adds a touch of luxury while giving you peace of mind through performance and functionality. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's whisper quiet, staying below 57 decibels even at high speed, so you can cook and converse without disruption. So if you're looking for the perfect combination of performance, elegance, and reliability in your kitchen, the FIREGAS 30-inch range hood insert is your go-to choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.